Okay, Assalamualaikum, Sophia. You can start on question 1 and 2. Question 1 and 2, Sophia. Rahana, we're starting now, Rahana.
The answer for number 1 is 3.
Number 1 is 3. What about what's the name? Rahana? No, number 1 is paging for Rahana. You can key in your answer if you cannot be. Rahana, are you there? Question number 1, Rahana. Come in, Rahana. What about number 2? Sophia, cannot be lah. Very first question, your colors. Come on. Why don't you write down what is 7200 first? What is 7200? Write the number 72 and then add 2 zeros behind it. That's 100, right? Assalamualaikum, Miss Zahira. We start question 1 and 2. Raihana, are you there, Raihana? Please come in. Paging for Miss Raihana, please come in. Okay, good, Raihana. You are coming in. So, what's the answer for question 1 and 2? You can just type if you cannot be heard. Inshira, can you just inform your cousin, please? Is she back?
Number 2 is 3.
2 is 3, okay. We wait for the rest. We have another 1.5 months more to the period. Number 1 for question 1. Okay, Raihana, what about you?
Number 1.
Number 1. Oh, that's you, sorry. Inshira? Not Inshira, Zahira.
It's number 3.
Number 1 is number 3.
Yes.
Don't make the same mistake as Sophia lah. 7200. You write 72, put 100.
The answer for number 1 is 1.
You write 72, add the 100 is 0, 0. So it cannot be that.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes, Miss Raihana.
you got prelim.
Got what?
Prelim.
Prelim. How's your prelim?
I left out questions I didn't know.
It's okay. When? Just today, is it?
Just now.
Just now. Okay. Inshallah, it'll be okay. Let us see what's the results going to be when you come back next week. Go back next week. Inshallah, will do okay. Okay, question number 2, please. Question number 2. Question number 2. Zahira, what's your answer for question number 1? If you say 3 is wrong, huh?
1.
1, okay, good. Question number 2. Nearest to 8.
I cannot see the number for... Okay.
8. Question number 2 for Miss Zahira and Raihana. Where is
it which one is nearest to what?
number 3 is nearest to 8. Nearest to 8.
I don't have one.
What's question number 2, Zahira? What's question number 2, Raihana? I know you just finished your prelims today, therefore you'll be better than the rest. What's your answer, Miss? Sorry?
4.
4 for question 2.
2.
Okay. All right.
Is
We
1.
must try it out. Why don't you try it out?
3 is number 1.
Question 3 and number 1. Okay. What about Sophia for question 3? Zaira?
For question 3, my answer is 4.
4. Okay. What about
3.
Zahira?
3.
Question 2 is 3. Question, oh, sorry, hold on. Come on. Question 2, you say the answer is 3. And then question number 3, the answer is? So I don't need to, you told me the other day I don't need, right, to make my screen smaller. So I hope you all can see this.
No, we can just press on you.
Okay, you can
Click
press
on
me.
your the one.
Click on
Or
my,
click on your
okay.
the one.
So you have 2 stuff down here. One of you, I'm sorry. Question 3 is?
3.
3 or so. Okay. Both of them 3. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Now we look at. Okay, this one is divide. Somehow I feel safer if you. I'm afraid that some of you do not know what to do, so I'm just doing this. So over here now, we change this over 1, right? And this is times 1 over 3, right? So times 1 over 3. So then let's see. 16 times 1, 16. 1 times 3, 3. You divide 16 divided by 3. You get 15, which is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Remainder 1. So this becomes 5 whole, 1 remainder here, and 3 down here, which is the correct answer. But down here now, let us see now, 16 over 1. So this is 16 over 1 times, do the flip, 3 over 1. 16 times 3 is 48 whole. 1 times 1 is 1, 48 whole. It's a different answer. So this one is right, this one is not. Huh? So the answer for question number 2 is 3. But the thing is, you can try it out. You can try it out straight. If you think that's the answer, try it out. See whether you can get it right or not. Now the next question. The next question is actually very, very simple. All you need to do, I'm going to write it down here. They're asking you which one is nearest to 8. Okay, we let Miss Zahira is coming back in. Zahira, are you in? Okay. So for question number 3 is very, very simple. They ask you which one is nearest to 8. 8 is like this. The first one is 8.1, then 8.09, then 8.03, and then 8.004. Now, very, very simple. Shafika is coming in now. Now they're asking you which one is closest to the number 8. We just wait for this, Shafika to come in so we can explain. Okay, Assalamualaikum Shafika. Are you there? Can you hear me? Shafika, okay. Shafika, now since you just come in, we're going to warm up with you. Which number here is it? A, B, to 8.03, 8.004. Which one? Shafika, are you there? Ika? Can you all hear me? Can you hear me, Sophia, can you hear me, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is very simple. 8 is 8 whole, 8.0. Now, why don't we make them have 3 zeros so we can compare. Now you can see which one is the nearest. Which one is the nearest now? You tell me, to 8,000. Let's say we remove this dot. Which one is nearest to 8,000? Is it 8,100, 8,090, 8,034, or 8,004? 8,004, right, is the closest. So this is therefore the answer. Notice the procedure I've shown you how to find the nearest number to this. Okay, you just follow how many digits there are.
Actually, I didn't I didn't even do any
Do
working.
that way.
I didn't do
You
working
understand?
because I see that the decimal number for 8.004 is the biggest.
This one biggest or smallest?
No, at the question.
The question. I'm not too sure what you mean, but inshallah. Okay, answer is D, all right? Okay, so let us see. I'm not too sure. If you say smallest, I agree. If you say biggest, I'm not too sure whether you get it, but okay, never mind. We try this one now. You want it in liters. Remember, 1 liter is how many milliliters? You all know, right? 1 liter is how many milliliters? You should know.
1 liter, 1000 liters.
1000. So you want to make it to Shafika entering again. Okay, 4 and 5. You'll take 4 and 5.
My answer for 4
Answer
is
number
1.
No, 4 is 1. Okay. And then
Answer
what
number
about
1.
the other one? Okay, good. Then what about the next one?
My answer for 5 is 2.
5 is 2. Okay. All right, let's see whether the rest. We wait for Shafika say number 1 is 1. 4 is 1, you mean. Okay, what about Raihana and the rest? We just give a few moments, yeah. Okay. Raihana, paging for Raihana. Are you there, Miss Raihana? So what is the
For number 5 is 2.
number 5 is 2.
Number 1.
Number 4, number 1. Okay. So number 4, all of you got it correct. Is number 1, just divide by 1000, shift 3 decimal places. All right. And what about number 2? You say is 2. You mean number 5 is 2 lah. Say number 5 is 2. Okay, everyone agreed 5 is 2. 5 is 2. What about you, Rahana? Do you agree number 5 is 2? The answer? Yes. How do you get 5? How do you get the answer 135? How do you get?
8 times 9 times 15.
8 times 9 times 15? That's the whole thing.
Got number 15 times 9.
15 times 9. Okay, very good. Okay.
I all of it. Then
Yeah, no.
Teacher, this cuboid all sides same.
No. Cuboid means it's not
Rectangle, right?
No, like a rectangle. At least a few of the sides will be rectangle. If it's cube, means it's all the same, square. Okay, ready? Now the next one. So far you're doing very well. If you can continue like this, your paper 1 you're gonna score, and then paper 2 you just need to just pass.
Number 4.
Number 4, so fast.
You guys can see the tick.
But so you're going for the tick, is it?
Yes.
Stuff, let's see. All right. I shall put a. That is the students working now. Okay, later we ask you lah. Later we ask Sophia to explain. If let's say her answer is right. Sophia, you went to school today? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? Rahana, what's your answer? Very, very simple.
Number 4.
Number 4. A plus B equals to 180. Okay.
Wait, wait.
Zahira, what about you? Sophia, you say number 4 also, right? Zahira?
It's number 3.
Number 3. This is who? Raihana?
Yes.
Okay. B and D. Now you can see like
Mr. Shaheed,
yeah.
whose
Okay,
paper is this?
this is Pehua Presbyterian. Okay.
No, whose? You
Whose?
say the students.
I do not know. This one I do not know. Someone
Okay.
Raihana, can you trace like that down here? No, don't trace. You don't trace. I think you cannot remove. I trace for you here. You watch this, Raihana. Watch. Oh, but mine, if I trace, it will move together. Yours, if you trace annotate, can maybe I got to annotate. You annotate, Can you annotate, please? No. Later I will unshare and share. Can you annotate, please?
The Google
This one,
Chrome,
there's one yellow one. The yellow one.
I'm using Google Chrome, so I cannot annotate.
Oh, you can annotate. Okay.
How to
But
do?
okay, you annotate like that. Annotate like that. Okay. Yours is macam. Oh, ini apa annotate ini? This is just like that lah. Like this. Annotate like that. Just one line like that. I want to see the angle here. Sorry, this one is. So you annotate like that lah. But I want to move it later. Cannot lah. Yours you cannot use shape like that lah.
I try.
Okay, you try. Okay, wow, yours is a worm, huh? Okay, the other one. Okay, all right. Watch this. Can you see actually if she draw it nicely? This is a straight line. This is equal to this. It's like scissors, you know. B is actually equals to D. Down here, if she drew it correctly lah. Okay, why don't you try down here, one more line down here, Sophia. You try to do it nicely, this one. A to D. Okay, now watch. Oh. Hey, why you remove? Put it back.
Wait.
Okay, now let us see. We can't see. We can't see. I can't shift it to the other side. It's stuck. Let me see whether I can. Okay. All like that. I cannot shift, but I want to show you that this here is the same as this. Can you see now? A is equals to C. D is equals to B. That's what it means. So now, down here, B equals to C is wrong lah, because B is not equals to C. B and C, they're not the same. You can see this is a big angle. This is a small angle. If you can't see it, you take a cut like this. You take a cut like that, you put it on top of it, and then you will get 90 degrees. I'm going to draw the outline of the cut, so that you can see the outline of the cut. Okay. I'm drawing the outline of the cut. Can you see 90 degrees is inside? This one now 90 degrees. Watch, I draw 90 degrees. Now I remove it just now. I draw 90 degrees. Imagine I have a cut. Can you see? This 90 degrees is bigger than this angle. So B cannot be equals to C. This one we do not know. We cannot. The thing. This one is wrong. So the correct answer, B plus D equals 180. No, B equals to D. The opposite side, the side by side angles add up to 180 degrees. This plus this, because they are parallel. This plus this is equals to 180. Or you can say this plus this is equals to 180. Yes. Okay, so the answer is number 4. Huh? Okay, we'll move on. Can you remove your, yes, can you remove your, yeah, okay, yes. So answer is number 4, yes, miss?
Can you tell us his hair? Sorry.
I'll continue the story, the story
What?
about the treasure.
Okay.
Treasure lah.
Answer is 61, number 2.
61, number 2. Wow, very fast, huh? Wow. What's your secret now, Zahira? Now very fast, Zahira.
Sure.
Confident also, huh? Are you better than your sister now? Or sister better than you? Never challenge yet. Raihana, what's your answer, Raihana?
So can I go and sign it back? Because for me, I like.
Sure. No problem. Please do. Shafiqa, we miss you. So what's your answer? Shafiqa, are you there? Yeah lah, I'm here lah.
The answer is 2.
Answer is 2. Okay. Answer is 2. Okay, so it's easy, yeah? Shafiqa, you get 2?
Yes.
Okay, very simple. Huh? So you know this plus this is 180 degrees. So you minus 90, minus 29, you get 61. Okay, well done. Now the next one. Find 2% of 2,000. Hey, you must get this correct. They are giving you marks away. They're giving you, what am I saying? They're giving you marks. They're
Number
giving you
2.
marks. Your answer is number 2 also.
My answer
My answer is number 2.
Number 2. What about Shafiqa?
My answer number 2.
Okay. Shafiqa? You get number 2 or number 4? What?
2.
2. Okay, well done. Very simple, huh? 2 over, in case you don't know, over 100 times 2,000, right? Okay, so you will get like that. Cancel 2 zeros. Cancel 2 zeros. 2 times 20 is 40. So number 2, well done. Next one in the class, 38 of them are students. Notice, as we are doing more and more, it becomes less and less challenging.
Can go toilet.
Yeah, I can go toilet, don't worry. Easy.
This is Shaheed.
Yeah. Easy.
But then it says right that wait, girls is 28. Girls is
Answer number 3.
The girls is what? Okay, thank you,
wait,
Zaida.
so it's 28 is to 10 is to 38, right?
Yeah, and then reduce.
But then mine is 19.
Good. There's a
Then
19
what?
here.
Don't have any 19.
19, there's so many, 119 here, 219
No,
here.
the first one.
Why you have total first? The last is first one. Last is 19. Total is 19. First is girls.
Yeah, girls is 19.
Girls not 19.
Yeah.
They say girls is 28.
Oh no, this girl. This girl is not reading carefully. This girl.
Yeah lah. Wait, so girl is 28, right?
Miss
28
Boy
divided by
turn.
2 is 14. 38 divided by 2 is 19.
Miss Boy is
Okay,
10,
my
right?
answer is 3.
Yeah. Shafiqa, do you get 3, Shafiqa?
But I want to take food.
Take. Shafiqa, you get number 3 or not? Oh, she's not there. She went to toilet. Okay. Raihana, you can try this question first. Or are you back? I'm in outer space. Okay, we move on. We move on. You try lah. You try lah. We wait for the rest. We try this one. Okay. Zahira, just be patient while we wait for the two other girls to come back. One from toilet, the other one from getting food. So which one is your answer, Miss Rayhana? So Zahira, you must try your best to make sure you score for paper one. Score for paper one, just pass for paper two, you get very high score. Score for paper one, slightly fail for paper two, you still can pass.
Mr. Shaheed.
So my paper for prelim paper 2 is hard. The last few questions is hard. But then booklet B, the last few questions are hard.
Yeah, sometimes. Yes, Rahana. Yes, Rahana.
This type of question that I don't understand.
You don't understand? You understand. They say, now the number of girls, how many girls are there? How many girls are there?
28.
Good. So
Oh, wait, 28 minus 38 equals to 10.
Good. So boys is 10. Good. Then you can do. And then total is how many? Total is 8. Then now you got to reduce lah. Divide by 2.
Because now I don't have a book on my phone to write down.
Oh, you don't have a book. No wonder lah. If you are using the phone, it's difficult lah. So never mind. We do mentally 28. You don't have the book. What do you mean? Book exercise book ah. Yeah. So no problem. You can use a paper, but if it's difficult, then we got to do mentally lah. So divide by 2, you get 14. 10 divided by 2, you get 5.
5.
Then the last one, you get 19. Okay, so your answer is 3, yeah? Okay, girls, are you all here? Sophia, are you back with food for us? No. Shafika, are you back from? Okay, good. Okay, now you know this one is not coming out, but actually, let me see, yeah. Hey, this is actually like percentage, you know. Okay, this is percentage now actually. Okay, this one, the whole thing is 100%. Can we just try? We just try, yeah. The whole thing is 100%. This one is 30%. How much did she spend on clothes? You know, this is percentage. Okay, I give you the clue. This is 30%. So this from here to here is how many percent? How many percent? The one in color yellow. How many percent? Anyone? This one is 30%. Oh, sorry,
70,
this one. 70, good. So this plus this is 70%. Can you find out what's the answer? How much is the clothes? Books plus food plus transport is 70%. So how much is the clothes?
'Answer is number 2, 150.
150. What about the rest?
So pie chart.
Pie chart, never mind lah. But I just explained this one 30%. Whole thing is 100%. So yellow part is 70%. So 70% equals 80, 210, 60. What is 30%? Imagine it's a...
Well, 340 divided by 70% is...
Not 340 means you're making careless mistakes.
Then what?
Teacher,
Next year you'll be coming.
next year must still learn this one.
Yeah, must. At least you go through, you know.
Wait, 350 divided by 70% is what?
35 divided by 7 is 5. 35 divided by 7 is 5.
Okay, so it's 50.
Yes. 10% is 50. 1% is 5.
Sure. What time lesson ends?
Lesson ends at 8:15. We have 13 more minutes before first break. I think with the break in between, it doesn't
Answer is 2.
Answer is 2. Okay, so you all can get it now. Very, very simple. Rahana can get it, Rahana. Don't say, no, this one is
Number 2.
number 2. So 70% is equals to $80 plus what? Plus $60 plus $210. So 70% is 350. So you know, find 1% also can. You find 1%. Very simple. 350 divided by 70. Then your answer you get 5 equals to $5. So you know, find what's 30%. 30% is what the clothes, right? So you take 5 times 30 lah. $5 times 30 is equals to $150. So the answer is just here. Oh, the answer is just here. This is answer number 2. Okay, well done. Ah, this one. This type. Very good. Care. We have done this.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes,
I thought you cannot hear me. Sorry.
I can hear you.
Care.
You say 59 divided by 4.
But you must know what to do after that.
Sure, I know how to do this, but with calculator.
No calculator. You don't need calculator.
You know why? Because my teacher teach me, right? You do this, but then you don't change to decimal. Because later, right, it'll be out
Yeah,
of
don't
4.
change. Yeah, don't change decimal. You use your remainder. Then you can find.
My answer is 3. 3 also.
Three
Answer
also.
3.
Okay, so let us see. Yeah, we are waiting for Raihana. If not, we will. If you say you need calculator,
I agree with 3.
3 also. Hey, how can you get 3
Sure,
just
I
like
know
that?
my book. How to
Okay.
do it? Then
Okay, then we do. I do with you mentally lah. Okay. Okay. This cherry. Okay. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, we take any number. Let's say we want to take 7. 7 divided by 4. Why 4? Because care is 4 letters. When you divide by 4, you see what's the remainder. You have 1 on here, 4. Oh, remainder 7 minus 4 is 3. So if you take the 7 1, you just need to count 1, 2, 3. It's R. Can you see it's R? Now we try now. We take the 14 one. 14 divided by 4. Okay, 12. You have 3 here. 14 minus 12, 2. So you count 1, 2 is A. Let us see. 14 is also A. So you just need to divide by 4. What if you get 16 now? 16. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is exactly 4. This remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means the last one. Because there's no remainder. Okay? So I do not know whether you know. We will have to test you now. Okay?
no.
Okay, here we go. We try lah. Okay? One, okay, this is like the first digit. I give you another question. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's see lah. The word is MAGON E lah.
Maggie.
Maggie, the double. Okay, so now I want to know, this is the repeated MAGON. The last one is E, and it continues like that. I want to know what is the 101 letter. What is the 101 letter? Do the same method. You need calculation. You got no calculator. I'll be your calculator.
101 divided by 6.
Oh, like that, Okay, 101 divided by 6. Okay, we do together lah.
Oh, it's okay, Chai. I already got a book.
Oh, you got a book. Alhamdulillah. Very good.
I found a book.
What is that word?
I don't know.
Answer is N.
N. Okay,
Yes.
you say the answer is N. Answer is N. Okay, let's see. What about Shafika?
Wait, why you do for us the calculation?
No, that's not. I thought that girl, she got no book. So I was helping her. You see, girl with no book just now. I hope
Yes,
I get scolding by the student, you see. Very bad, student. Okay, so your answer is N, right, Miss Sophia?
N.
N, okay.
N for
Norway. Nose. Nostril.
Yeah,
Hidung.
whatever.
What do you call tai hidung in English?
Booger.
Booger.
Google.
Booger.
Googles.
Yes.
But is that is not a real word, right?
And
And
It
for
is.
Shafika, it is. Booger. Okay. Raihana and Zahira, we are waiting
My
for
answer
you.
is N.
my name not
And
Rahana, my name is Girl
Yes,
Inobu.
N.
what's your name? Girl with no book. Okay. So girl with no book, what's your answer? But now you girl with book. Okay, we are waiting for her. She says Anna. Okay, good.
My answer.
All right. 101 divided by 6. Okay. Now you get 6 over here. 1 minus get 4. Bring down the 1. Then is what is this? It's going to be 36. 36 is 6. Minus you get 5. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is N. Congratulations. Okay, you should be able to score for this one, all right? Now it's already 7 or 8. We still got a few more questions to do before. Let us see whether we can finish. Find the perimeter of the circle. Six.
Is it 3/4 times 22/7 times 28 times 28?
Why you find area? What's the
no.
formula for area, the perimeter, circumference? Pi times d. Pi
I
times d.
thought it was that one.
Pi r squared is area. Come on. Don't throw away marks, please. Don't
Means
be
you to
too.
times. 28 and 28 is 784.
Don't. 28 by 20 is wrong. That's area. Don't find area. They ask you to find perimeter. Perimeter is not.
I
Is
thought
outside.
56, right?
56,
must
yes.
find the must find the diameter.
Diameter is 28 plus 28, not times 28.
Oh, Allah.
Okay, remember, you see, this shows if you don't practice enough, you forget. So that's why we need to go over and over and over. You know how to do this. Sophia, how come you do mentally, Sophia? You do it mentally, What does Sophia say? I got the power of the telecom. Okay. All right, now. What to do?
She become a telekung woman.
Must we take
Telekung
must
girl.
we take
Telecom
304 times 22/7
Yeah,
times
can?
times 56.
Yeah, you can, or you can just find
Okay, then
5
answer
times
number
d,
1.
then divide by 4, and then times 3. Same thing lah. Divide by 4. This is divide by 4 times 3. Can also.
Answer
Okay.
number 1.
Answer number 1, and then you did not do something else. You only find like this. Why you find like that? You cannot be the, you just like that. This is not perimeter. What about down here? What about down here? Then you should say, oh. Come on, Tahira.
Oh, okay. My answer number 3.
Answer is number 3, let's see.
Sure, I don't have the answer.
How come
Oh,
you
it's
don't
okay,
have
it's okay, it's okay. I think I know.
Okay. Shafika, what about you, Shafika? Are you there?
Share the answer. I got 221.
2 to 1. Okay, let's see. You take 22/7, yes? Times by what? 56, correct?
Times by 56, then
Okay.
cancel the
Okay, cancel. So 56 divided by 7, you get 8.
8.
Okay, good. Then 22 times 8, you get
22 times 8 is 176.
176. Now, you must take 176 divided by 4 because there are 4 parts here.
Yeah, I divide by 4 equals to 11.
cannot be 11. 11 times 4 is
Huh?
44. Cannot be 11.
I got 11.
Okay.
Oh no, I got 41. Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. I think
Okay,
I know.
so you all know how to do it actually, just careless mistake. Sophia, what's your answer, Sophia? Are you there, Sophia?
The local answer.
Yeah, I might make a story called Telekong Girl. Why not? Why not? At least no. There's so many people wearing Telekong, and then they get special powers lah.
Sure, you have to. I'm wearing this.
Okay, so what's your answer? Oh, you're wearing Telekong, so okay. So we only have one person giving the answer, which is Miss Zahira, which is 1881. What about the rest? Girl with no book, what are you doing? You're supposed to complete the question. We got 2 minutes more before the end of it. Shafika, what's your answer, Shafika? I have to wear dark glasses to
When
just look.
when we find everything, then we need to plus the 28, right?
Yes.
So you wear his glasses.
I want to look at Shafika because she's all in the dark. Shafika, what's your answer? She's not there. Okay.
What happened to right now? What's she
I do
doing?
not know.
3.
3, yeah? Okay, good. Okay. So very simple. You get this one, which is 176 divided by 4 is 41. 41 times 3 is 123, is it? 132. It's not 41. Okay, but anyway, this one, Zahira, this is 132, right? Plus 28, plus 28, right?
What?
No, yeah, correct. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
So, correct. Sophia, you got it now, Sophia? Okay, Sophia, you know how to do this, right? Pi times d, 22 over 7 times d. Why d? Then you get 22 times 8, which is 176. Now, this 176 for the whole thing, we are going to divide it into 4 parts here. We want to find the length of 1 arc. So 1 arc, 176 divided by 4, you get, hold on, 4, 44. So just take 176 minus 44, you get 132 is from here to here, then plus 28 plus 28, you get 188. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll come back at 7:30, okay? What happened? You're wearing Telekong is very good, Rahana. You're starting to pray, Alhamdulillah.
No.
It's okay lah, at least you wear a blue one, it's all right. Okay? But just don't do the headstand when you sujud, sekali you do the headstand. Okay. All right, we'll see you in a moment, okay? Let me see.
Wait, Sophia.
Sophia went to prayer? Oh, she went out, I think.
Oh.
I think she merajuk lah. Don't make fun of her lah.
Why she
Okay.
merajuk?
No, just joking. I think she went to pray. Okay, you're gonna pause. Are you all right, Sophia? All okay? So we go back to the question, okay? Let's get back to the question. All right, you all can hear me, eh? Oh, I forgot. I keep forgetting. I'm asking question. I can't hear anything. We move on to the next question now. Who else? Shafika is not here. Can you contact your cousin, Miss? Hello. Shafiq. Mal Hijrah lah. New Year. Oh my goodness. I thought you all are talking to me. You know what's happening? Can you see this? Sorry. Can you see that? Can you see that? You couldn't see it? Okay,
See what?
Okay.
Why? Show us.
I was thinking you all were talking to me. It just so happened that one of the videos, I show you, one of the videos just now was being played, you see? This one. Can you see now? So
Yeah, that's
the
ugly.
person talking. So I mean, I was thinking, what is happening, man?
Can you
Then
stop? I look
why
very
are you?
ugly.
No, it's not ugly or whatever. It's yeah. All right, but where's Shafika? It's not here. Okay, we move on to the next question, question number 13. You must get this correct. Anyone?
My answer is number 4.
Zahira? Oh, Zahira. Every time it comes to time, Zahira will look at the clock. Although I cannot see the clock, I know. Am I correct? If you look at the clock, it's okay, no problem. So in your exam time, if you need to draw the face of the clock, you just draw on your
I
test
did
paper.
draw, but I see from far, but not so clear.
Not so clear.
Sure. Couldn't we just write like
Yes.
the trees, the 12 is on top, then like just do like multiples of 3, like on a circle,
Okay.
then we just fill it out.
Can also, if you want to. If you feel that helps you. Who is calling me? Okay. Anyone else to answer? Zahira, where's your cousin, Zahira?
Maybe she's still solat.
Okay. Very simple, huh? One way. Now she's coming in.
Wait for
Wait lah. Okay lah, wait lah. Okay, Shafiqah, try to do this question, Shafiqah. How many hours is the restaurant open all
so
day?
Shaheed, what is 60
yeah.
minus 15?
45. 45.
Is it number 4?
Mr. Shaheed, but then right,
Mm-hmm.
15 minutes plus 30 minutes is 45 minutes, right?
45. Yeah.
Then why
But why
don't
you
have
plus 30
45
minutes?
minutes?
First,
Then why do you have 45 minutes?
Number one.
No. Number 1. Okay, we will do
My answer
together.
is number 4.
Number 4, okay. But then so we do like that. We minus this like that now. Once we minus, very simple, right? This one, you get what? 3 hours, correct? 3 hours down here, right? Am I correct?
My choice.
3 hours and 30 minutes.
Cannot minus time to get.
Why cannot?
What?
Okay, because it's
Number
24
4.
o'clock. Number 4. Okay, so now from here to here is 3 hours and 30 minutes. Now the next one, 22:00 here. Then we minus. Okay, now let us see. Sophia and who else who have a different question? Minus 15. You cannot minus, right? So you borrow 1 hour here. So you left with 21. Remember, this is 21. Down here becomes 60. 60 minus 15, 45. So Sophia, 45, later we'll come to that in a moment. 60 minus 15, 45 minutes. 21 minus 17, 4. Now you have to plus with 3 hours and 30 minutes. 3 hours and 30 minutes here. So Sophia, now you add, what do you get? When you add on here, 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7.
Oh.
This is 7 already, you know. 7, you got to break up into 60 minutes, is 1 hour. And the other one, 15 minutes. You get it now? 1 hour, 60 minutes, right? So this side, you put 60 minutes. So this side become 1 hour. You remember 1 hour. Down here, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7, but you plus 1 more hour here become 8. 8 hours and 15 minutes. Can you see now? You understand? If you don't understand, I have to show you again.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Understand? Okay, good. All right. Now, we do the next one. Okay, next one is here. I'll remove all these things here. Question 14.
So,
Yes.
why use the highlighter?
Because I find it easier. Okay, maybe I should use annotation, is it?
No. Like, why you don't use?
What should I use? This one is pen. Oh yeah. Add signature and initials.
Sorry, I thought it's that one. I thought it was supposed to be for like pen.
Okay, come we try some.
No. You press the
This one.
yeah, I think so. Oh, lol, sorry.
Sorry.
No. Never mind. Okay, at least we learned something. And,
Want to never
Wait,
check.
how do you get the highlighter?
highlighter is always here, but now, mine is a professional one, so I don't know how to get out of this. Okay. Yeah. Oh. This one. Oh, now I cannot do. Aye. Okay. Just hold on, Never mind, now we can. Now I.
I don't use.
Okay, never mind. We. Oh, no,
How about the sign? Press the
what?
sign.
What sign?
That one. Press the sign. Then add initial.
An initial for what?
Oh,
You
lol.
see? Okay, you try this. Yeah, I will. Just 1 second. Waalaikumsalam.
Rana,
Yes.
what's your weight?
46.
Oh my god, okay. Thanks you.
You?
I'm lighter than you.
Okay. All right. Huh?
Nothing.
Why am I'm hearing my voice again. Okay. What's anyone got an answer for this? How do I get out of this?
Oh, question.
Sorry?
This type of question I don't understand.
Okay, because it's the last 2 questions of the section what? Paper 1A, right? So let's see. MN straight line, TP straight line. MOP is twice of this. So 2 of these can fit here, but it's not drawn to scale. It's not drawn to scale.
Then the sentence.
Hmm?
They mean drawn to scale.
Drawn to scale means if you, let's say I draw it down here, it doesn't look at 2 of these angles can fit here. It might be more. This one look very much bigger. But they are actually telling you that this now, if I draw MOP down here, this one is 1 MOP, 2 MOP makes 2 MOT, 1 MOT, 2 MOT. This makes MOP. That's what it means. So you can fit 2 MOPT in 1 MOP.
So
You can this angle you can put 2 inside here. So actually,
wait.
you can know it.
Okay, wait, I need to go get something. I mean, throw
Yeah,
away
go,
something.
go, go. Go, go, go. All right, I think the answer is rather
Where's
not so
Shaheed?
difficult.
What's your weight?
N-O,
Where's Shaheed?
very heavy. Yes.
What's
Now
your
my
weight?
weight, alhamdulillah. Yeah.
What's your weight?
Okay, I've gone lighter, but still very heavy. 92, 93
No, my cousin heavier than you.
kg. If I was,
He is 100.
I
Yes,
was
I know,
100
right?
at one time. Oh. But how old is he?
I don't know. I think he's like 20 something or 30 something. Like he's married. No, he's not that fat, but then his bone inside his body is like very tebal. I don't know.
That's my
What?
heavy frame, they call it.
Yeah,
Heavy
yeah.
frame. I think, yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Now I'm going to show you again in a moment. How come you're waving at us like that? The thing is unto.
I think I'll be lightest.
Okay. Shafika can do now, Shafika. Are you
I'm
here,
underweight.
Shafika?
Yeah, I cannot do.
But then
Yes.
my friend is more underweight, you know.
It's okay.
And
At this
he's-
stage, underweight is all right.
Friend Kayu.
No, he's like 30 or like 29.
How heavy are you?
I'm 38.
Okay, not so bad.
I 46.
It is underweight. That's why.
When I was your age, I was 30 something. So okay.
No one cares.
Now down here, can you see MOT? This is MOT here. We can
Oh,
we can
I know,
put
I know,
two
I know.
of it inside here.
Wait.
Can you see not? 2 MOT is equals to MOP.
Is it
So
number
I can
2?
put. So you must understand this point first. I can put 2 MOT here. I can put 1 MOT here. I will just write here. Another MOT here. This is MOT. So in a straight line, how many degrees is a straight line like that? How many degrees? How many degrees straight line? Hello, anyone? Straight line, how many degrees? How many degrees is straight line? 180 divided by 3 lah, then you get 1 MOT. Because they say this MOP is 2 times of MOT. So there are 3 angles here. You get it now? Now it's a straight line. Straight line 180. This is now, let's say, MOT. MOT is down here. And then they say they can fit another 2 MOT here. So that means I can put 2 MOT here, 1 MOT here, all together, 3 MOT, same angles, 60, 60, 60. So if you understand that part, then we know how to do now. Okay, if you understand that part, let us see what happens. Now, if you know this is now I cut this into, this become like MOT, this one's a MOT, this one's MOT. Why? Why is it like that? Because they say this is 2 times of this. So this is 2 MOT angles. So there's 1, 2, 3. So step 1, 180 divided by 3. Divided by 3, yeah? Then what do you get? You get 60 degrees. So down here is 60 degrees. This one 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Now they're asking you for which angle? They're asking you for NOQ down here. Oh, NOQ now, easy lah. You know that this one is 60, this one is 90. Take 180 minus 90 minus 60. That's all. And you get your answer. 100, 180. Okay, next one, minus 90. Why 90? Because there's a square here, right? It shows 90 degrees. Then minus 60. Why 60? We just found out what is MOT. What? MOT is 60 degrees. So we get 30 degrees. So the answer is number 1. Confusing, Is it confusing? Oh, who's handsome guy, Now, is it confusing or not? no one, I do not know whether you understand. We go one by one.
What do you just say?
When I
Say
say something, is sometimes quite jealous.
Yeah.
You see just now.
Hey Siri.
You say, oh,
Hey
handsome
Siri.
guy.
Which handsome?
Yeah,
No,
there
your
this handsome
profile.
guy, you see? This one on here.
Where?
Yeah,
Oh
she
my.
say which handsome. This one. Shafika, what are you write? A Korean word? Ya Allah. Habislah this class already towards PSLE all going haywire already. But you
Sure,
understand this
I'm
one or not?
already here. Why
I hope you
you?
understand. Maybe a little bit. That's why you need stories. See? This happens to all primary 6 classes I have. Towards the exam, as you get more and more pressurizing in school, at the tuition center for tuition, they say, can we relax a little bit, which is okay lah. For as long as you can concentrate most of the time, okay lah, no problem. So for you at home, you must know how to pace yourself. If you find you're so stressed, go and study again. Go out for a walk, go and play a game. You do something physical, like running, chasing someone. Like chasing, maybe below you find a cat, no one to play with, you go and chase the cat. And then after that, you perspire, you feel better, and you get back, you find that you will be able to concentrate. Last time when I had my own tuition center in Amokyo, we had balloon volleyball. And this is like, the students today are like they're in their 30s. No? And one day, what happened? They were playing balloon volleyball during break time. Like we have break for Maghrib, right? And then we break for balloon volleyball. And then one day, they were shouting, screaming in the tuition center. One day, one parent called up. Parent says, why is it so noisy over there? I said, I gave your children a break. And all she said is, oh. But yeah, okay, but the students did quite okay. All right, please try question number 15, the very last one for this booklet A. Aduh. Hannah, you are busy doing all that. That means you're not doing the maths question. Doing all this, ya Allah, what is that? Powerpuff Girl. Okay lah, outer space.
Tuesday, which line?
Sorry, your answer is Tuesday.
No.
Tuesday?
Tuesday, which line?
Yeah.
Three.
3. All right, let us see.
What? 3.
3. Okay. How you get 3? Later I'm going to ask you. How do you get 3? But Shafika, don't tell. I believe you know the answer. Shafika, did your teacher say you are getting better in maths?
My answer is number 3.
And okay, good.
No.
Zahira, no. No.
Don't know.
Okay.
He said,
Yeah, go find my page.
many people improve lah.
She said you improve, is it? Okay, that's good. That's good. You know you're improving. But this is not just until PSLE. Please continue doing your work until you finish your Sec 1 because you need to catch up on your P5 work, you see? All of you, not only one of you, all of you. Okay, so, but we come to that in a moment.
Mr. Shaheed.
So we ask, yes.
So wait, I trying to find my page.
Wait. Shafika.
Zahira, what's the answer?
Shafika. What? No, it's okay, never mind.
Aduh. She just answer what you really, she's really takut of you. Okay,
Wait,
Zahira.
sure.
1 minute more. Rahana? You
Wait.
don't need to find all, no, Monday. Okay, just
No,
Tuesday
no,
and
no,
Thursday
no.
only. Look at Tuesday and Thursday only.
Answer is 800.
800. So 3 here. We're waiting
I
for
also got 800.
Okay, good. So 250 minus 50 get 200. 200 times 4 get 800. Okay, so very good. We move on to paper 1B. Booklet B. No using calculator. 12.3 minus 0.99.
My answer is 11.31.
Okay.
Same. The
Same
17
2%. 17 you
let
must
me
measure.
the
So,
square.
so this one, okay, you take down question 16. I'll show you this bigger. Huh? Okay, is it better for you?
My answer is 3.2 cm.
Okay, what about the next?
Eleven point 10.
11.10 for the first one, is it?
Second.
In okay, then I have to show both then.
I can't see, I'm blind.
Okay, so I'm sorry, you take down the first one, please. I open it up very big.
No, the first one.
First one, I will copy for you here. I'll write it
This
here.
is very easy. This is very easy. It's okay.
Okay, well, minus 0.99. Okay, so now you can see it.
For
So
this
I'll show
question.
you. Your PSLE sometimes test on this to see whether you really understand. How, Zahira, you got the answer for question 16? Zahira, I don't know. How come, who's that you're talking to? Inshira?
For the first one is 11.49.
11.49. All right. All I can say is teen.
What? Round? Does it say round it off?
No, don't round it off.
Number 2 is it? Wait
Okay, wait, later go see.
Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? Not yet.
Annotate.
Okay, you annotate, but that's not the wrong one, not the right one. But I leave it to you. You see 1, 2, you see down here? So you must go up to 2. So this is considered 1.
You.
Yeah, I will have to.
So where are you?
I'm in my house. My room.
Where?
Where am I?
Yeah, where?
I'm in my room, Toa Payoh. Toa Payoh, Lorong 1.
Oh, I thought you're in Indonesia.
No, I'm not. We are not allowed to go out of the country. Otherwise, I'll be going to Cambodia, not Indonesia.
Oh, we Cambodia, I forgot.
I don't want to go back there now. Don't
Why?
understand. This, you don't understand the language. Even thank you also, they will say
Terima
akun.
kasih.
They will say akun tran, akun. They do not say thank you. They say good.
It's also 4.9.
7.
4.9 for the second
It
one.
will become that.
7.2, 7.2 for second one.
Cannot be 7.2. Okay, we'll do
Second
one by
We
one.
got second one. I got what is one?
7.8.
Okay, we do the first one. We do the first one first. Huh? Okay, please 12.3.
Alah, I never do the F ini.
Okay, we 12.3 divide minus 0.99. We do together. Down here now, you add a 0 down here. Borrow 1, get 11. This one becomes 130. You minus this becomes 12, 10, right? 10 minus 9 gets 1. 12 minus 9 gets 3. 11 minus 0 is 11. 11.31. Hey, you know why they test you on this? Because some of you cannot do it. So you must be able to do it. Okay? Not to duet. Duet is different. We can duet with Inshira later. Okay, so now, aduh, hey, what is this? The samurai girl. Please, you got to be able to do this. Do you get it right or not, samurai girl? Okay, we try another one. You'll try another one. Huh?
11.31.
Yes. Okay, I'll show you again. Huh? You use your calculator to check if you don't believe. 12.3, we add a 0. Now 30, okay, now this one we borrow 1 becomes 11, right? I'm going to write it here, now becomes 11. This one now becomes 13. We need to borrow 1 to make it 10, right? So this one becomes 12. So I'm going to write it here. This one now is 12. Sorry, 12, huh? Down here is 12. Down here is 10 minus 0.99. So that you can see clearly, this is 10. See 10 down here, 10 minus 9, 1. This 13, you borrow 1 becomes 12. 12 minus 9, 3. 11 minus 0, 11. Okay. Very nice, Inshira, very nice. I like that song. Very nice song. Okay. Now, next one now. The next one, hey, come on, lah. You all don't joke. You do not know how to do this one. Look, you take this number. You very simple, but okay. If you cannot see like that,
So
I will
you
draw.
look at it.
Okay, I will draw for you. From here to here, okay, is one block. But you cannot take it to be. Okay, it's very simple. You just take. Imagine now. Oh, stuff. Imagine from here like that. You wanna find the difference between the two. No? Okay, this one goes down until 0 lah, let's say. Okay, this one goes down to 0. So all you need to do is 7.6, 7.2, 7.4, 7.6, 7.8, 8. So take 7.6 minus 4.4. Okay. So minus 4.4, what do you get? 6 minus 4, you get 2. Okay. And then 7 minus 4, 3, yeah, 3.2. Congratulations to Miss Sophia who has gotten both answers correct. But I think you're a little bit confused. It seems this should be easy for you. So it should be easy for you. So in that case, I will give you a line now. I will give you a line you try to calculate. Okay. I'll give you a yellow line. You try to calculate now. What is the length of this yellow line? Okay. Ready, yeah? Okay, this yellow line is from here. Alamak, it's not good.
Why must minus?
Why minus? Okay, now I'll show you. Now you want to find, imagine now, this is now the photo. Then now you have, let's say, photo until here, let's say. Yeah? Now you have this bar on here like that. And you have this bar on here. Let's say this one is 10. This one is 7. They ask you what is this. This bar is the difference between these two. So I take 10 minus 7, I get 3. This must be 3. Because this 3 now, can you see, is exactly down here. That's why I have to minus. Huh? You get it or not? Get it? Huh? So now I'm going to draw on the here, and you try. Miss, what's her name? Rahana, you got to focus, Rahana. I think you already don't go to outer space
Okay.
and all lah. Please come back lah. Come back lah, Miss. Your exams are
You wanna
just.
escape reality, teacher.
Yes, I know you sometimes need to escape reality, but can you do it?
My parents
Where's
are
the
drunk.
question for next one?
Okay, this one,
Oh my
yellow,
God.
this yellow thing. I want you to find
Jatuh kat Pontianak.
how long is this yellow thing? How long?
2.0 cm.
Huh?
Wait, why you do so far?
2.0 cm.
It's 2.0 because you know why?
2 cm.
Because of this.
No, I didn't say. Sorry, you might be correct. So you said 2 cm.
Yes. 2.0 cm.
My answer is 2 cm.
Okay. So down here,
Because of 2 cm.
what's the number here, Miss Sophia?
6.6.
6.6. Good. Then you minus down here 4.6. Okay. Another way to see it, can you see down these two? We bring over here. You fill up down here. So it's 1 cm, 2 cm. Possible also. Both method. Now I'm going to increase. You try. You must be able to get it. Because why is this not working? Sorry, Okay. Too many things.
Oh.
Okay.
Sure.
Now watch. Yes. Now you
Last
try this
time-
one. I'm gonna. Yeah. Last time.
My brother,
Mhm.
after he joined your lesson, he passed or fail.
I don't know. You got to ask him. I do not want to say the marks.
I don't want to ask him lah. After he go scold me here there. To say be like me lah. Be do better lah. Do this, do that.
I think you're doing
Think
better, but only when you
No, I'm
focus.
doing worse.
But
I'm
when you
doing
don't
worse.
focus, you'll do worse. Okay. Well, how long is this
Sure,
thing now?
there's a literal ghost beside me.
Literal ghost. All right.
There.
How long is this one?
Can I annotate?
Teacher, this is 8 or 8.2?
8.2. 8.2.
Answer is 3.6.
3.6. You see.
3.3.
3.3. One say 3.6. One say 3.3. So we go for this one. Sophia, what's your answer? This one is what's the thing down here?
What?
What's the number here? The reading here. 8.2, correct? Minus this one, that's not we know 4.6 what? Minus 4.6. And then your answer will be 3.6. Okay, those who got it, congratulations. So if you don't know, please refer to the video. I'll try to upload it by today or tomorrow. This one, you have done this before. Don't get it wrong. You want to change it to percentage. Very simple, very simple.
Acha. I don't know.
Fraction, you just times by 100. Decimal
Sure,
also.
I don't learn like that. I learn like 100% equals to. Blah,
Yeah,
blah,
but
blah.
that's why you have to use a few strategies lah.
What is sound?
I do not know. It's Inshira singing.
Fantasia. What song? Sure.
Shafika, what's your answer?
3.5%.
3.5%. Shafika says. In fact, I already told you before.
Sure.
3.5 also.
3.5%.
Percent.
Okay.
I think that's
Finish.
Yeah, I give you this formula here. Decimal to get percent just times 100. Fractions to get percent just times 100. That's it. Remember this. If you have a fraction, you just times 100, you get a percentage. If you have a decimal, you just times 100. So in this case, right down here, 0.035 times 100. So shift 2 zeros. Shift 1 0, shift 2 zeros, 3.5%, but you must put percent. Congratulations to Miss Shafika. Okay, if you are confused, please make sure that you refer to the videos. Very nice nails, Miss Sophia. Sophia, are you okay now, Sophia? Already you cannot focus with it. Okay, we do a very last one. Okay, question 20 is your last one, and then after that, we will.
Oh, I thought that. Story.
Yeah, we will tell the story, but I will enlarge it for you, so that you can
Yeah,
see.
sure. I'm very blind.
Let me see.
Okay.
The on top part you can ignore now. Now down here is.
Answer is 75.
75. Easy now. Yes.
Yeah.
Seem to be getting is not challenging, Sophia? Not challenging, See. Alhamdulillah, you have reached the stage of it being not challenging.
70.
That's very good. 75, okay. What about
My answer
Zani,
is
right?
75.
Good. Rayhana, do you get 75 also?
No.
No. How much is this, Rayhana, around here? How many durians here?
Oh, June to July. It's okay. Wait. I thought it was August to September. I thought it was July to September. $95 plus 30 is 125, right?
125, yeah. So 200 minus that, and you will get the answer, which is 75. Want to do one more question?
Mr. Shaheed,
Yeah. You want a
why
story
our
now?
class all girl?
I do not know actually, because I didn't market this class.
My
This
other,
class,
my other tuition right is also all girl, but then like there
all
was two
girls.
boys, then they drop out. But then like this year class also got two girls. I don't know why.
Okay, I normally my class is mostly boys. More boys than girls from last time. But now is I do not know what happened.
But
You
my
can ask
brother got all
Inshira.
of them.
Inshira's time there. Okay, I'll just tell you the story straight, Ken. So you remember what happened from the last
No.
time? No.
They
Okay.
when they found like they go.
They went to the police station. Remember the policeman. Actually, what I forgot to tell you is when they were in the Malay village. Remember the pakcik brought them. The people in the village did not want them to leave. In fact, they tried to stop them from leaving. Fortunately, that Mak Saleh police officer came, and then he was very, very impressed that these children, all of them can speak English fluently. Because the Mak Saleh people had to learn Malay. Do you know that Stanford Raffles had to learn Malay to communicate?
What?
Stanford Raffles.
Yes, and
Stanford
his
was
teacher,
forced to learn Malay.
how do we know? Because there's a biography of his teacher. His name is Abdullah Munshi Abdullah.
No, I thought his teacher is Sanila Utama.
No, Sanjung Utama is long time back. So Munshi Abdullah is the one who teach Stanford Raffles Malay. Do you know that our Prime Minister also knows Malay? The wife also knows Malay.
Oh, this
And
guy is
Basar,
on our $20 note.
that's Yusuf Ishak. He's a Malay. That's different.
No. There's the new $20. No, the new $20 note. Yeah, he's inside the.
Oh, Lee Hsien Loong. Lee Kuan Yew.
No, wait. I show you. Wait.
Okay. So what happened was the kampung. I think that's the Brunei one. Brunei Sultan. Sometimes they do a sharing. So Brunei and Singapore has the same currency. But anyway, what happened was the people in the kampung didn't want them to leave. Where is it? Show us. Is it Brunei? Brunei, Singapore.
Wait.
That was Singapore money.
Do not know.
Is that Singapore money?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that one is
Sure.
not lah. This one is
Sure.
just the, you know, the like you know, bias. No, what is that called?
The $20.
You can apply. Like, if you want to apply, you have to
Oh yeah, you
pay.
take it off. Yeah, okay. So it's a special, there's a special printing of all
No, that's
the,
not printed. This is
Like
real
what?
money.
yeah, it's real money.
But
So
it's
these
like,
are some of the governors of, oh, you got so many of it. You bought this,
I got
I
five.
got a lot.
Wow. Yeah,
My
this will,
my grandfather.
yeah, this will be worth a lot of money lah. Wow. Don't
What?
crumple it, Don't crumple it, no. People might want to buy it for $100 or something.
I don't want to
be
take show it to
Yeah.
us.
What?
Yes. Okay, but
Yeah.
anyway, so what happened was they went to town, remember? And then they went to Central Police Station at South Bridge Road. They went there. That South Bridge Road police station was set up in 1870s. So they were shocked when they saw City Hall in the olden days, and they are on the being
Like-
pulled by the rickshaw and all that. So they realized that they have gone back in time. But when they told the policeman that, the policeman got very, very angry. In fact, they told them the places where they live. Some of them the policemen know, some the policemen do not know.
Like
Now
Bedok.
after that, they told the policemen that they're gonna search for their parents themselves. They left the police station, and they were going around Singapore River, a lot of places they were exploring, because they realized they are now back in time, probably 100 years back in time. And what happened was, at the end of the exploration of the city, you remember they don't have money, right? But remember the gold coins they had? They took some gold coins, right, from the iron chest. They sold it, they pawned it, and they got some money. And then with that, they could buy food and all that. But what happened at the end of the exploration, they realized that Sheila was missing. So Sheila is one of the, there's 2 boys, 2 girls. So one of the girls was actually missing. So this is where we stopped the last time. So they went searching for Sheila all over, they couldn't find. As they were sitting down, they were giving up. They say, this is useless, we can't find her. I do not know where she went. And when they went asking, they discovered that she was talking to a young man, a Chinese young man, before she disappeared. Now, as they were sitting down at a coffee shop, discussing this, and it was really night, and they're thinking, where should they go? Because this is at night. They suddenly, out of nowhere, the man they saw at MacRitchie Reservoir, remember, they were running away from him. That man appeared before them in the coffee shop. When they saw this man, they started screaming. And he says, no, don't be afraid, because I was trying to warn you about the iron chest, not to go near it, but you ran into the jungle, and now you have entered the zone, just like me. I too made the same mistake. I went, open up the iron chest, and somehow I got transported back in time. Now we got to get back to our time. So he says, which year are you from? The man was asked. So the man told this boy, Banina Hassan, same time as you. You were where, from which year? It's in 1980s. 1980 something, 85, 86. He says, yes, same year. So what happened was that this man finally says, okay, I know where your friend is, Sheila is. Okay, so brought this brought the 3 of them to a Chinese kampong. And when they were at a Chinese kampong, now they were told, when they described the man, the young man that was talking to Sheila, he realized, this man realized that he's a gangster. You know, last time Singapore had a lot of gangsters, these gangs, and they're very big. So before going to the kampong, he actually got a gun, a pistol actually, to bring and save Sheila. So he rented some vehicle with horse and all that, like a carriage, and they entered into the kampong. Now, there was a very big ceremony. The friends were shocked because Sheila was getting married. But Sheila was Sheila was like drunk like that, like mabuk like that.
I know.
So the man says, this gangster is trying to marry Sheila. Your friend is going to disappear, no? If we do not, can you imagine 1 year from now, your friend is going to probably be pregnant with child. And they get shocked. Say, let's go and save her. Say, the problem is Sheila doesn't know where she is. She's drunk. They use opium. Olden days, like opium, like smoking, and she's high, So finally, this man actually, he got some friends and they made a big commotion and he fired the gun. He actually shot the groom. You know the groom? The man who's getting married to her? He shot him. And somehow they managed to escape, but the whole kampong was chasing after them. Fortunately, he came prepared. They all escaped. Now, as they escaped, Sheila didn't know where she was. She's like asleep. She's in a wedding gown, Chinese wedding gown. Finally, they reached the seaside. They were safe. And then an argument broke out. By the time they reached the seaside, it was like late morning already, 9 o'clock in the morning. And there was a big argument. They blamed the man for shooting the groom. You see, no, you almost got us killed, blah, 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 blah. So when they were having this argument at seaside, there were some Malay people, their hair is like kusut. You know kusut? You know what's kusut? All entangled and all that. And then the hair is brown color, no? And they are Malays. They were observing from far. Suddenly, a few of them go and grab the man. And
That
then
looks like my
invited.
friends.
Huh?
The Malay, that one you say got the rambut like that one and then color brown.
It's like your friends.
Yeah,
But this
like
is
my
naturally, not, this one was not colored brown, it was natural. All of them,
he
like,
didn't color.
Yes. And they brought them to their house. And you know where's their house? On top a boat. These are the orang laut. You know orang laut last time, in the olden days, there were Malays who were living, they were nomads. You know what Badui, not Bedouin. In Arabia, you have Bedouin going from place to place in the desert. Down here, you have Bedouin living on boats. They are called orang laut. They will move down here, one side, but they do not go to the land. So they thought they are saving the children from this man that were shouting at. And so the man, when he was tied to a tree actually, and he is observing them and they're going far, far away. When they finally came back, they went for an excursion, went to see, and then they told the orang lawat, okay, now we are ready to go back to the shore already. It's been 4 or 5 hours. When they came back, the man that was tied to the tree was no longer there. Now they became worried. Remember not, they were arguing with this man. They blame him. They say,
Did you make this story?
Is it a confusing story?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so you remember that he saved Sheila, but he shot the bridegroom.
Yeah.
The bridegroom is a gangster, right? They have a gang. So it caused commotion. So they felt that he had put their lives in danger. He said that he had no choice. But when the orang laut saw what was happening, they thought that this man was a bad person. And the orang laut went and tie up the man to the tree and took the children on the boat. When they took the children on the boat, they went round fishing and whatnot and came back when the children insisted on coming back. That was 4 or 5 hours later. When they came back, the man was no longer there. So the children went onto the shore and all that. And fortunately, Hassan can speak Malay, right? So they were talking Malay. And then they found out from the other orang laut, there was some Indian man who came and tie up this man and took him away. And most probably the man had gone to the Indian kampong, the Chulia kampong. So now the children felt very, very bad. They went to Chulia kampong and they finally found the chetias. You know, chetias are people who lend money. So they accused this man of borrowing money, but not paying them back. But you see, the children know that this must have been a lie, you see. Because the man is from 1980s, how can he be borrowing money? Correct or not? It's fitnah lah. Most probably it's fitnah, you see. So what happened was, one of them had a gold bracelet. She gave it together with some gold the money lenders. They took the man. What happened after that? Again, when they took the man, they found, okay, the man brought them back to his own kampong. So they asked him, how come you have a kampong down here? He says, I've been stuck down here for so long. You guys have just come into this world. When I met you at McRitchie, I came into your world to warn you. I've been here for a few years. For a few years, he said. I said, how many years? He said, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. And because of that, I had to set up a kampong. I can't get out of this place. So finally, they brought him to the they brought them to the kampong. They met up with the ketua kampong and all that. And that night, the 4 children, now by this time, Sheila was already, the effects of opium already off. That night, all 4 of them had a strange dream. And the dream was, they dreamt of a bomo, the same bomo, this male bomo, who was after them. So the 4 of them told this man, last night when they woke up the next day, say, all 4 of us have the same dream. We dream about this bomo. He says, you describe this bomo to me. So when he described, he said, we have to leave now. This bomo is coming after you. He's gonna attack you. So basically, he brought them and they ran away.